So we are in red today. All of us are in red.
I got the point.
Very good. Did you guess the car?
Red car.
But which one?
वो पता नहीं अभी वो ढूंढ देखेंगे
देखो आ जाओ अंदर आ जाओ ये सिसा को है क्या तैयारी की है हम लोग की थैंक यू सो मच हेलो गाइस व्हाट्स अप so we are back on the channel with a new video and this time again it's a delivery of a new car. As you can see they have worn all red and our other family members have also worn red. As you can see they are just coming from there. Everyone has worn red, so you must have guessed the color by now, which color it is, and the vehicle. Which vehicle? That's a surprise. That I'll show you once it's unveiled. And yeah, all are excited. We all are excited. Nice. So we just complete the formalities for the delivery, and we'll see you guys down for the unveiling of the car. All right? And all are excited.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind.
So this is a new car, Rudu, hai na? Yes. Maruti Suzuki Jimny.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to run back, all this shit I've been chasing.
Lal. This is the first delivery from the showroom, right here. Getting the rituals done before driving off with the car.
हे पण दोन ही फुलं लावली अशी तो मुद्दामून त्याला घसरगुंडी वाटते ती अगं बाई जीप कशाला बाहेर पड
इकडे बघा
I know life's short, so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as
Alright guys, so what is up? It's the next day today, and as you saw, we just took the delivery of a brand new car, and the first thing which I'm gonna do is change the tires for it. So I'm just going to South Bombay area here in Mumbai, and there I've got a good deal. In fact, I'll on a set of pair of tires. So I'll be changing all 4 and also the Stephanie, so total 5 tires. What and which pair of tires, which company I've chosen? It's an 80 tire of course, because it's an off-roading car, so I'll be going for that only. And in detail I'll show it to you which one I'm going for. And by the way, I hope you guys have liked the first part of the video in which I've shown the delivery of the car. We were so excited that I couldn't record much after the delivery. We just took the delivery, went to the temple. So here there are 2 recordings going on. Minder was recording me. Right, so in 5-10 minutes we'll be reaching there, and once we reach there I'll show you that. Alright guys, so this is the old one, and which is gonna get replaced with the new one here, right here. And I have gone with the Yokohama Geolander 215 AS75 R15. So as you can see the difference over here, there's slight difference in the height. I think this is in width also. This one is little narrow, this is little wider, and in overall height also I think there's a half an inch of difference in both the tires. So it will enhance the look of the car for sure. Alright guys, so done with the tire change, and immediately there's an effect on the performance of the car. So it feels more smoother, more grippier for the road I've driven yet. And yeah, pretty nice purchase. So it's the next day, and the reason for the upgrade, yes, the reason for the upgrade of the tires is for the day which is today, and I am going off-roading with the Jimny, the brand new Jimny, which is just 3 to 4 days old. And as you know, yesterday I just upgraded the tires of the car, and I am going for an off-roading event, and there would be a surprise. There are many more Jimnys coming in. Some officials from the Maruti team are coming in, and they are getting their own Jimnys, which we will be able to drive in, explore the off-roading track, and maybe we can take our own cars, our own Jimny in there. Look how pretty it's looking, man. It's pretty red, and the amount of attention I'm getting on this car, it's amazing. Just Alright guys, so we have crossed the expressway, and almost will be reaching there in 15-20 minutes. So just 17 kilometers from here right now. And as you can see, it's a beautiful road going through jungle and greenery everywhere, as it's a rainy season, so it's all nice and beautiful. आणि रस्ता पण सुंदर झाला आता.
रस्ता चांगला कॉन्क्रीटचा पण चांगला झाला.
After the upgrade, after upgrading the tires, the car is performing very well. It's super grippy and comfortable now. So good investment, I must say.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind. I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life.
Anniversary. So this is our third year that we are at this facility. We've been doing training since a long time now, and it's really good to see you people out here. We have a couple of experts who are here who are going to do a brief talk for you all. So without wasting any more time, I want to call the first speaker, Ormas Soravji. Ormas, editor of Autocar India.
Just want to say, looking forward to a great day on the muddy tracks.
Alright guys, so we finally made it to the event, and as you can see behind me, there's a nice cute Jimny standing there, and we are gonna drive it soon. There are a lot of people come with their cars, different type of models. There are Jeep Compass, Wranglers, Thars, Toyota Hilux, and many more. As you can see, there are plenty of cars over there too, and we'll be driving the Jimny first from here.
Never miss, that's fact. Taking big swings, each hand to the bat. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel?
Alright guys, so there you go. The trail has started, and first we'll be going to the starting point where we'll keep our vehicles, and then go ahead in the Maruti Jimnys which are kept over there, and drive the car over the trail and explore the car, how the car vehicle performs in the off-road terrain. So I think there are more than 15-20 vehicles currently in batch 1 which we are going to drive the Jimny.
Back, they wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death, to be a legend.
Finally, this is the starting point of the Jimny, from where we'll be planning to drive the car. You can see there's board written Jimny, never turn back. Yes, these are the Jimnys here, right here. Tyre बघ किती मोठे लावलेत. So Dad is driving the Jimny for the first time here, directly in the off-roading track. And as you can see the lineup, so many cars here. And beautiful view.
How are you finding your? How long has it been since you had it?
3 days, 3-4 days. Just got it on Wednesday. What if the hill descent is on and I start braking?
It'll break, but then you will slip also.
So
So this is a little tricky.
Okay.
Stop it. Put it in low. So you'll have to keep it little to the left.
Okay,
Right?
from the
Exit and entry.
no braking, right?
No braking. Hill descent is on. Yeah. When you get to the bottom, then you can accelerate, but keep to the left. Guy is using all his brains, all 4 wheels, whatever it is doing.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, each hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Alright, so it was a fun event right now. Drove the chimney and it was amazing experience. And you see all the fun we are having here. All like people have modified their cars and just going up and down, driving all the way. And due to its lightweight nature, it almost goes over all the terrains easily without any effort. Like I was not feeling I'm in a difficult situation any tricky situation was very easily overcome by the car. And I'm really happy with the purchase now. After driving the car provided by Maruti, I'm really happy with the purchase and more confident that I can take this baby anywhere and any terrain. Thank you.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seat.